different types of air handling units that you could discover and engineered into a building. One of them includes a cold air return system. Much like just a conventional air handling unit, the air comes in from one side, cycles out, and distributes out through the rest of the building. That air is in constant flow. In this particular air handling unit, we are in the center of the building. We are not contiguous to an outside wall. And so at the far end of this unit, our fresh air is being provided by another air handling vessel that is to the outside of the building. And it's forced the air over to here. And so as that air passes, it passes through the filters and up through the building. As it passes through the filters, it goes through just a simple cooling coil loop. So in this particular case, this is a cooling only air handler unit. Remember, the chiller and the cooling tower produce the chilled water. And that chilled water comes down through these pipes into the coil. It's the air passing through those chilled pipes that produces the cool through the building. In the same principles you have with normal residential forced air units, we know that we can push air 5, 10 feet, but we can draw air 20, 30, 40 feet. It allows a better convection of airflow through a building. So in this particular installation of this air handling unit, I've got the supply air being pushed up. Remember, that's that air that's been comforted with the cool. And on the back, I've actually got return ducts because I'm actually drawing air back by this large fan unit. Now, where that becomes more important than other spaces of the building are in those other occupied spaces like offices or auditoriums or areas that convective airflow versus just pushing air into a room is much more beneficial, because I want to drag that air back from the returns and return it back in to this system. Where the heating is, that's downstream in VAV boxes. But I wanted to show you that of all the air handlers, there's some of them that are just all going to be pushing air, while there's others that will have a return duct side. Follow your checklists, understand the systems, and in something like this, you might even bring a specialty consultant to help you through the process.